That's it. So bend your knees for me. And you just kind of keep working yourself back. So this would be your headboard. Toes against the headboard. You're laying on your bed. You're working it back. It seems so silly, but this, you know, there's different ways to do this stretch. Okay, okay. If you're making that sound, then you're far enough.
That's it.
Yep, and then you just relax. And we'll hold that position. What does that feel like?
It doesn't hurt. It's just like pulling. It's not a grit my teeth yet,
Okay,
but
so that's kind of where we want to be. Discomfort, not pain. We'll hold that position a minute or two and then we'll back out of it and then we'll repeat it.
okay.
Okay, so now that we took some of the pressure off, let me see you bend the non-surgical knee. That's it, and then relax. Do like 3 bends on the non-surgical side. Just what you did, yeah. So that's 2. That's 3. Now try and bend them both together to try and get those toes off the wall. And then relax, and bend, and relax. Let's do a set of 10 like this. What happens is doing the non-surgical side helps the surgical side. There's a carryover effect. Okay, so in the last exercise, you were using your hamstrings to pull your toes away from the wall. This time what I want to do is I want you to push your toe into the wall. The wall's not going to move, your body's not going to move. Both legs equally, so press into the wall, count to 5, and then pull away from the wall. Perfect. That's it. And then you press into the wall again, count to 5, and pull away. Let's do 10 cycles just like that. You're pressing into the wall 5 to 7 seconds, and then you're pulling away from the wall for 1 or 2 seconds.